We can get the printing controls from the page layout. Here there is additional dialog box containing the controls. We can click this small box and we have this dialog box. On the page tab we have the orientation. We can toggle either portraits or landscape orientation. Here there is scaling. Now it is 100%. We can adjust to some percentage, say 80%. So the page size will shrink and it will reduce the number of pages. And also the other is fit to. We can fit to the data to one page or number of pages. Say we can set it 8 pages. This will squeeze the page to 8 pages. There are also other controls here. The other is margins. We have these margin features also. You can decrease or increase to control the layout. There is top, right, bottom, and left. You can see always our changes from the print preview here. The other control is the header and footer section. We can customize the header and footer here. You can click this button. Let's try to customize the footer. In the left section, we can enter the page number. Maybe in the middle section, the title of the page has information. You can say that. In the right section, we can enter the date and time. And when finished, we can click OK. And also here, we can close the dialog box. In the sheet tab, in the sheet toggle, we can set the print area, roast print, as we did it in the last lecture, and we can set the other here in the print. You can set the grid lines on and off, and also we can change the other features. These are the most used print controls. We should always see our changes in the print preview. We can finish like this.